Moving on, India is planning to tighten its artificial intelligence rules to curb the growing threat of deepfakes and misinformation. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has proposed the key changes to the IT Rules 2021, focusing on stricter labelling, traceability and accountability for AI-generated content. According to the draft amendments, the changes aim to ensure that AI-generated content is clearly labelled and identifiable by the public. Officials said the move was necessary as synthetic media, including fake videos, audio clips and images, have recently gone viral, causing confusion and damaged reputations. These proposed amendments to the IT Rules 2021 introduce a clear definition of synthetically generated information, meaning any content created or altered using computer resources in a way that appears authentic. Under the draft, social media platforms and AI firms such as Meta, X, Google and OpenAI will have to ensure visible labelling or audible notices on all AI-generated media. The label must also cover at least 10% of a visual display or the first 10% of an audio clip. Platforms will also be required to ask users whether their uploaded content is AI-generated and use reasonable technical checks to verify these declarations. Under the revised framework, any authorised official seeking content removal will now be required to provide 3 specific details in their notice: the legal basis and statutory provision being invoked, the nature of the unlawful act, and the precise URL, identifier or electronic location of this content. In a briefing note, the IT Ministry said that recent incidents of deepfake videos and synthetic media have shown how generative AI can be weaponized to spread misinformation, manipulate elections, or commit fraud. The Ministry also warned that such content can cause serious harm, from damaging personal reputations to fueling political and communal tensions.
In Parliament, as well as many other fora, people have demanded that something should be done about the deepfakes which are harming society. People using some prominent person's image and creating deepfakes which are then affecting their personal lives, privacy, as well as the various misconceptions in society. So the step we have taken is to make sure that users get to know whether something is synthetic or real. Once users know, they can take a call in democracy. But it's important that users know what is real. That distinction will be led through mandatory data labeling.
The government's move also comes amid a rise in deepfake videos of Bollywood actors, politicians and business leaders. Actress Rashmika Mandanna, Priyanka Chopra Jonas and Alia Bhatt are among those who have been victims of fake videos, where their faces or voices were replaced without consent. Hollywood stars have faced similar issues, with actresses like Natalie Portman and Emma Watson also affected. The proposed rules are part of a wider global push to regulate artificial intelligence. Both the European Union and China have already introduced mandatory labelling for AI-generated content. With the proposed AI amendments, India is moving towards a more accountable and transparent digital ecosystem. While the rules are still under consultation, they reflect the government's growing urgency to curb the misuse of AI and the spread of deepfakes before they cause greater social or political harm.
Want the facts?
The latest developments?
News that gets straight to the point.
Well, we've got all 3 just for you. This is Firstpost Live, a brand new show, your window into what really matters.
Don't miss it.